Hey everybody, this is Jamie. I've got the mini drawing for the Dooney and Bourke. Here is our final board. I posted that in the comments also. Today is Monday, April 18th at 5:54 p.m. Central Time. Let's see. Do my love comment. Okay. Now I'm going to go to random.org. Hit refresh. Still loading. Where'd it go? It's loading. One through 96. Alright, we see the times there. 5:55. Generate. Number 7. We have Carrie Klitsky. Alright, congratulations, Carrie Klitsky. See, you get 4, and now we have 2 more. 96. Alright, we're going to hit generate again. Oh, I'm supposed to circle that. Random.org. Okay. And generate. Number 89. We have Tesk Skittle. I can't pronounce your last name, Erwin. And one more. 66. Rebecca Perez, you lucky dog. Alright, let's see. The finishing time is 5:56. Y'all let me know what 4 numbers you want on the main board, and I'll get you down. Thank you. Let's see what else I need to do. Last thing, the date, time, 5:56, Monday, April 18th. Alrighty.